Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I am sharing a new nail polish of the week video. In my nail polish of the week videos, which I of course share every single week, I take one random color from my collection, sometimes multiple when I'm doing a compilation one, but I just swatch it, talk about it and just have some fun and me time, relaxing me time at least, while I paint my nails. So definitely grab your own nail supplies and paint your nails together with me if you are ready to refresh your own manicure. And of course, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But let's go into the entire manicure, the application and so on. I am of course starting off with clean nails. I do have a little bit of gel base coat and top coat on my nails. I do so because it is really handy and easy for me, not only during my very manual daytime job to give them a little extra strength, but also for swatching polishes. Simply because it is so easy to remove nail polish and swatches and designs when you have that on your nails as a base, and it also prevents from staining really good. But yeah, back to this video and let's just quit the rambling about this because I feel like I have to tell you guys this in every single one of my videos because I still get a lot of questions like, ooh, what's on your nail? Why is your nail so shiny and so on? And yes, these are my natural nails, just for the record, one last time. Well, yeah, I'm going in with a base and I used one by Chanel, which is really pricey and it's not one of my favorites because I'm not a big fan of the small brush, but because I have bought it, I'm gonna use it up anyways. But for today's polish, I'm going in with a beautiful super orange shimmery goodness by Essie. This one is called Make No Concessions and I think it is from one of the in-between kind of collections. This is from the Fairest of Them All collection, which I got 6 colors of. If you're curious to see the other 5 colors that I got, definitely check out that video. I will try to remind myself to put that one in the end screen in one of the info boxes, so you can definitely watch that if you're done watching this one. And of course, if you are interested, no rush, no hurry, you don't have to. But yeah, this collection actually contained 9 colors in total, but Essie tends to do some stores only kinda like sales or promotions or something like that, so there were 3 other colors that I'm not able to get my hands on because they were sold at Sally's or Target or Walgreens, I don't know. But since I live here in the Netherlands, I wasn't able to get my hands on those, so yeah, that's a bummer because there were some really cool colors, like the colors that weren't included in the Europe version of the collection. But yeah, this color I am pretty much loving. It is such a rich, like darker orange color, but it has a beautiful, very like finely milled golden shimmer in this one. Oh, it is so gorgeous. I really love it. It actually almost looks like an orangey red on camera, but trust me, in real life it is also very orange. It really depends on what kind of lighting you're in and actually looking at this polish. If you feel like it's more of like a super orange or like an orangey red, like a blood orange or something like that, it kind of reminds me of that. Also because of the shimmer, because that shimmer just makes this polish so luscious. I love it so much. The first coat isn't like super opaque or anything like that, but I'm not disappointed in the total opaqueness from that first coat, if you know what I mean. And of course, don't judge a polish by its first coat because 9 out of 10 times the second coat makes it like perfectly opaque or like 90% opaque. And yeah, just apply as many layers as you personally like prefer or want to or need, of course. If you have shorter nails, I am pretty sure you're good to go with just 2 thin coats. I felt like after the second layer, I still had a little bit of my natural smile line peeking through, which was kind of exaggerated because of the lighting that I use, because I have 3 really bright LED lights like LED panels and stuff like that, so you can actually see every single thing on camera, but in real life it wasn't super visible. So if you're like, oh no, this polish is a 3-coater, it might not be the case in natural daylight. So yeah, keep that in mind. I do have some full-on lights just blasting through everything while recording, just to make sure that my footage actually looks good and as true to life as possible. But yeah, because they are so bright, sometimes you can see the slightest imperfections. So yeah, it might seem a little sheer with those 2 coats, but in real life, to the naked eye, I really couldn't see like the smile line peeking through. But yeah, I really wanted to share a little bit more up close and personal what the shimmer actually looked like. I love it so much. It is gorgeous. This is one of those colors that is perfect to wear all year round, but especially now start is slowly like coming closer, and like Halloween season is coming up pretty soon as well. I'm so excited for that. This is just the perfect color to do like a pumpkin-y kind of design with or something. But yeah, back to the video, and the final thing that we're going to add is of course a top coat. And because I use the Chanel base, I was like, let's just grab the Chanel top coat as well, even though I am not really a big fan of this one. But yeah, of course I have bought it, so I will definitely use it up. I don't like to waste products or anything for that matter. So yeah, the brush once again is quite like narrow, which doesn't have my personal preference. Like, I don't really like it. I feel like the edge of the brush is like too straight as well. I really like my brushes to be a little bit more rounded, like on the edge of the brush. So yeah, a rounder edged brush is more my thing. The brush of the Essie polish, by the way, is just a perfect brush. I feel like they apply really nicely, smooth as well, and they do have a wider rounded off brush. So yeah, that's just a little side note that I do want to mention as well. And yeah, next to that, this Essie polish is around 10 euros here in the Netherlands at least. I know that prices may vary a lot depending on where you live. I know that they are way less expensive in the States, but unfortunately I don't live over there, and yeah, just buying them here is a little bit more expensive. But yeah, that was pretty much my entire new video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.